Do you ever get one of those weekends when you've got a limited window to ride, and within that window the weather forecast is absolute crap? Welcome to this week's video. Grey, 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 with a strong chance of rain. I hope you're sensing my enthusiasm on this one, and this is going to inspire you to get out there. Oh, I wish I was at home. Well, I'm out on my gravel bike today, and my mood has changed since my rather downbeat intro. If you look at my bike, you'll notice that there is something missing. Yeah, I forgot my water bottle. I don't have a bladder on this bag, so I have no water. It does give me an excuse to cut the ride short, I admit, but now I'm out, I would like to actually get some miles in. I'm going to carry on, crack on. I'm heading up to Devil's Dyke. I'll see how I feel when I get there. Let's not make too many plans yet. I've got a bit of a climb to do to get up to Devil's Dyke. Well, I'm now on the climb up to Devil's Dyke. It's not my favourite by a long way. It's not really hard, but it's always busy with cars and they get stuck behind you. Good news is, it's not started raining yet. It's not all uphill though. You do get one little short descent. Try and make the best of it. Crossing the South Downs Way here. This is the steep bit. Well, I've broken the back of the climb going up to Devil's Dyke. It's not super cold today, it's 6 or 7 maybe. For that climb I've really warmed up and I am feeling very thirsty now. Oh, I need a drink. So far though, no rain. My mood has lightened slightly, but the water thing's bothering me. Oh, I've made a slight detour to Devil's Dyke. Really not feeling it today, it's just not happening. I'm thirsty, the weather's not very good. Do you get rides like that where you haven't got that oomph? Maybe I need something to eat and drink. There's the view of the Weald today, such as it is. A bit misty. Against my better judgment, because I'm really not feeling this ride today, I am going to crack on. It's pretty much downhill all the way to the sea from here. I'm just going to put the nose to the grindstone, foot to the floor, pedal to the metal. Any other metaphors? I know a place. I went there during my YouTube holiday and I always got good coffee. Well, I've barely earned this. But water, coffee and a panini. I'm going to enjoy it anyway. Well, I barely deserved that food and hot drink, but I do feel a lot better. I've got my water now and I'm heading for home. Strangely, after that warm food, I'm feeling really cold now. It's probably because I stopped for so long. But it's not been a great ride, let's be honest. I'm sure I'm not the only one. Please comment, you know, if you have the same experiences as me. Those rides you just don't get going. You never feel like you get into them. But on the positive front, I did get out. I did do a ride. You always feel worse if you actually back out and do nothing. Well, thanks for coming along today, and I'm going to sign off here. And I'll see you next week. Hopefully a more enjoyable riding experience for me at least.